Greenhouse or Bollywood on a very slow, very old bus. My personal entertainment is certainly a plus. There's a sign at the crossroads, but who knows what it means.